Okay, this is our new foldable roll post, and I'm going to show you how to install your existing post that you presently have now. So you're going to want to remove the two 3/8 screws that you have on your existing post. Remove those. Remove the post out of the holder. Take your post, insert it into this new post holder. Insert it with the seam in the center and make sure you're squared up. And then you want to crank down on this 3/8 bolt with a 9/16 wrench. You're going to want to tighten that down to make an impression into the post. Once you tighten it down, remove it, pull the post out. You will see an impression into the post. Now you're going to want to take a 3/8 drill bit and drill down about 1/4 inch, reinstall the post, and tighten the bolt all the way down fully to retain it inside of the post holder. So this is designed now to be able to fold up and to lock in place for storage purposes. We have another bolt down here that we can adjust in the event of your post having some forward tilt. You can adjust this bolt up or down.
As shown earlier, a spring-loaded plunger securely locks the roll post in the fully upright storage position. The roll post should only be placed in the fully upright position for storage purposes only, not while moving the roll transporter over any distance. Operators should verify that the plunger has been fully engaged into the upright roll post prior to letting go of the roll post. Failure to do so could cause property damage or serious personal injury. It is also recommended to fully lower the mast before placing the roll post in the fully upright storage position. Again, the fully upright position is for storage purposes only. Operators should not be moving the roll transporter with the roll post in the fully upright storage position. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.